If you've ever wanted to experience a city that pulses with history, music, and a unique cultural vibe, New Orleans' French Quarter is an absolute must-see. Walking through its streets feels like stepping into another time. The architecture alone is a feast for the eyes: wrought iron balconies draped with flowering plants, colorful Creole townhouses, and cobblestone streets that echo centuries of stories. Every corner seems to hold a piece of history, from the colonial-era buildings to the hidden courtyards that are perfect for a quiet moment away from the bustling streets. But it's the music that really defines the French Quarter. Jazz, which was born in New Orleans, isn't just something you hear, it's something you feel. Strolling down Bourbon Street or Royal Street, you'll catch the sounds of brass bands, soulful piano riffs, and improvisational saxophones spilling out of open doors and street corners. Whether it's a world-famous club or a small street performance, the energy is contagious, drawing in locals and visitors alike. The way the musicians interact with each other and the audience showcases a mastery of both technical skill and heartfelt expression, making every performance unique. Design and atmosphere are just as much a part of the experience as the music. Cafes and bars often feature ornate, vintage interiors with hints of French and Spanish influence, creating cozy spaces where people gather to share food, drinks, and conversation. Outdoor seating lets you enjoy live performances while sipping a café au lait or a classic New Orleans cocktail. Even the street signage and lampposts feel thoughtfully crafted, contributing to the city's charm and making every stroll feel like a curated experience. One of the French Quarter's strongest selling points is its immersive culture. It's not just a tourist destination, it's a living, breathing community where traditions thrive. Seasonal events like Mardi Gras and Jazz Fest bring the city to life in ways that are both spectacular and authentic, offering experiences you can't replicate anywhere else. And for first-time visitors, there's a sense of discovery in every alley and courtyard, with hidden jazz clubs, art galleries, and local eateries waiting to be explored. Whether you're a music lover, history buff, or just someone looking for a city that engages all your senses, the French Quarter delivers. It's a blend of vibrant energy, architectural beauty, and musical genius that creates a truly unforgettable experience. And the best part? No matter how many times you visit, there's always something new to see, hear, or taste, a reminder that New Orleans isn't just a place, it's an experience.